Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I tried to do this Trader Joe's haul like 3 or 4 weeks ago, and then Ren and I got plagued with the flu down for like 2 weeks. It was horrible. So I basically just ate soup for a long time, and then I did the 5-day detox, and now we are back on the hot body meal plan. And usually when I go grocery shopping, I go for like a couple weeks as much as I can and just like shove the fridge full of everything. But right now we are down to like 1 pear, a couple of eggs, a little bit of oat milk, maybe like a bit of yogurt. Literally the fridge is basically empty, and that's not gonna cut it because you eat a lot of food on the meal plan and we need groceries. So we're gonna hit the grocery store. I am really nervous though because it's a Sunday, and Sunday's the worst day to go grocery shopping. If you guys grocery shop on Sundays, you know this. I love a Saturday night because there's usually no one at the grocery store. But last night, Ryan and I redid our New Year's Eve since we were down with the flu. So we like got all dressed up, went out, had a great night. So it's gonna be a double whammy, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna conquer it because I need groceries. Being back on the meal plan's been a little bit hard now that we're going into an office every single day, because before I was at home and working from home and everything was just available to me. So I've had to really think more to make sure that I have everything I need. So instead of doing like a different lunch every day and a different breakfast every day, I actually just decided to choose like my favorite things from the meal plan within a given week and have the same thing basically every single day except for dinner because I'm home. So I can switch up dinner a little bit, but it just makes it easier to pack it up and take it to go. So Ryan and I are gonna choose our favorite meals, we're gonna figure out what we need at the grocery store, and then we're gonna head out. And I'm in some super cute new activewear because going to the grocery store on a Sunday is basically like competing in the Olympics sports. It's gonna be a lot. But how cute is this? Seriously, this color of the shoe, and the leg of this pant, yes. So I just did a giant haul at JCPenney online, and I just love JCPenney because I used to go with my mom for school shopping every year. It was like our go-to spot. We had a few, but it was one of my favorites, and it still is. And seriously, if you guys haven't been to a JCPenney in a while, they have so much activewear, like so many different brands. I went Nike nuts a little bit just because I love Nike so much, but they have like stuff from every price point. It's so easy to shop online. And I got, this doesn't look like a giant box, but it was loaded with stuff. So I got 3 pairs of shoes, the ones that I have on, these cuties. I got these. How rad are these Air Max? Seriously? That I'm just obsessed with this kind of dusty pink. I don't even know. It's so cute right now. So I got those. I got some white ones. I got 3 pairs of leggings, a pair of joggers, 3 sports bras, a hat, like, again, this is my color right now, and socks. And truly, if you guys are ever like, oh, socks or underwear for working out don't matter, wrong. They do so much. These are the little dry fit socks. I have the pink ones on right now. You need a sock that's not gonna move around and distract you. You need underwear that are gonna like stay in place. It's almost just as important as like what you're actually wearing. And honestly, like going into your New Year's goals, New Year's resolutions, whatever you've set for yourself, having a cute outfit makes it easier. Like it really does, because you're like, put it on and you feel really good and a little motivated to go get your sweat on. So I used this as my like reward. It was kind of a big reward. I should have just bought like one thing, but I went kind of crazy. But I like to set my little micro goals, like I told you guys in the goals and resolutions video that I did a couple weeks ago. I like to set my micro goals and then set my celebration so I know what to look forward to. So it for me is usually a new pair of like joggers or a new sports bra or runners, just so that I always know that I have something that's gonna keep me pushing toward my goal when I celebrate, but also I'll be excited about because it's gonna be like cute. And I go through so much athletic wear working out like I do, and like whites especially, stain them, not good. It's not a good thing. The Air Max are definitely my favorite. I mean, all of this is my favorite really that I got, but I have to show you guys these leggings because I feel like the gold on them and the bra is so rad. Like look at this little like broken, it's kind of like broken apart, but really, really pretty. And then it's on the pants too. Anyway, all of this at JCPenney. Seriously, you guys have to go check it out. I'll put a link down below. Just look at all of the stuff they have, because I think if you go to like other stores, sometimes you only have one or two brands, and it's either like really, really expensive or really, really cheap, and they have things that just span the whole price range, so there's really something for everyone. And I am fitted, I'm ready, geared to go. We are going to go conquer the store. We gotta make that list, and then we're definitely gonna need coffee because I cannot shop on a Sunday without coffee. I can't tell if it's warm or hot out. I mean, warm or cold.
This is what happens if you live in California too long, because it's 70 degrees out.
It feels cold. Okay, I already ordered the coffee, so we can just grab it.
So Katie's grabbing the coffee. I don't normally go grocery shopping with her. She just likes to be alone. Like when I go, I feel like I just end up on my phone, following her around, pushing the cart. And then she's just like looking at me like, why are you here? And I'm like, good question, why am I here? But she just has like this zone she gets in, and she knows what she wants, and I just usually am distracting. But today I'm gonna help out with this Trader Joe's grocery haul, and it'll be good.
Oh my gosh, it's so crowded in there. I'm so glad I ordered ahead.
Let me get the lemon.
Get the lemon.
This is probably about all I'm good for on this trip, carrying the lemon.
Yeah, because otherwise you just wander behind me on your phone.
I push the cart while I wander at least.
It's true, but it's like, I know what I'm going for. I have like a focus, and I feel like you slow me down.
Oh, I'm useless.
When I go grocery shopping, I try to just stay on the perimeter and then know exactly what I need from within the aisles, because the perimeter's where all the healthy stuff is. The aisles usually where like the bad things, the unhealthy things lie. But Trader Joe's is a little bit different. There's like a mix of healthy, unhealthy in the perimeter. It's a little bit more confusing, so you have to be like laser focused. I think I'm gonna have you go get the frozen stuff, maybe? Easier. So like frozen blueberries.
Mm-hmm, okay.
Frozen spinach for smoothies. Yeah. So berries and spinach, that's kind of all we need really.
I've been wandering the frozen aisles and I can't find the berries. Okay, I found the berries, but blueberry waffles, but I don't see them. There's a lot of different kinds. There's regular blueberries. Oh, she's gonna want organic. Okay, so we're gonna get the organic blueberries and maybe a mixed blend. Well, we're going to a different Trader Joe's because we got yelled at again. Like, we can't film anywhere without somebody telling us no.
How do you do a grocery haul?
We don't allow any kind of filming, and I was like, huh, great.
But like, you can Instagram story and do all that stuff. So anyway, we're just gonna not use the camera.
We're gonna finish this Trader Joe's haul for you guys. Fear not. All right, let's try this one more time.
I am made to be free.
We meet again. Oh, definitely getting these two. Oh, and they have a kale. All right, we're gonna grab both. All right, so I got the berries, and I also got some gnocchi.
What is that one?
It's a kale one, yeah, it looked really good, so
St. Patrick's Day gnocchi.
there you go.
Okay, well that'll be fine because it's frozen, so we can have it as like a treat night, not like a everyday night. I literally almost forgot avocados for this week, which is a no-no, so got all those. Black bean taco night. Yes. How perfect these sweets are. They're like all like tiny little personalized size. That's awesome. I'm so good, Chris. Okay.
That's it.
It has a bunch of stuff in it. That's like, you gotta be so careful. And look how much sugar. Ah! No bueno.
It's a lot of different nuts.
I love just snacking on mixed nuts with like some dried fruit or something like that. But I feel like it's really hard to find ones that don't have too much dried fruit and don't have like nuts that I don't like peanuts, like so random. So even though it's a little more expensive, I always buy individual packs of the things I want and make my own mix, and then it lasts way longer too. Raw almonds, no salt, no. Just plain old almonds. You always have to get stuff that's just like raw, no salt added, no sugar, no coatings. What fruit do you like in it? Like cranberries usually?
Yeah, dried cranberries.
Okay. Okay, but they're sweetened.
Not sweet.
No, look, they still have sugar.
What about these?
They have sugar. How about apricots?
Yeah.
A Turkish apricot.
If it's Turkish, I'll do it.
It's 100% Turkish apricots. No added sugar. I'm in.
Guys, this is like serious covert mission here. Like, I mean, we're literally looking over our shoulders every 2 seconds and then filming and then moving and then filming and then moving.
Step away from the chip aisle.
I just love that. This is like my guilty pleasure. Like, I'm not a sweets person at all, but I could eat chips all day long. So we're not going to buy any because then I will snack on them.
So you're saying we don't need reduced fat cheese puffs?
No.
Oh, okay.
I've told you this. My mom and I used to literally eat an entire bag in one sitting. Ooh, this one's sourdough though. Sprouted sourdough. You want to try that?
Yeah, let's try that one.
Let me make sure it doesn't have anything weird in it. Yeah, there's no soy or anything. So cool.
Okay, yo, that is cheap wine. $2 chuck. There it is. Wow. $1.99, huh?
Grab some hummus. I always see all those salads and they look so delicious and like grab them and go, but none of them have clean ingredients. Like they either have no protein or they have a bunch of like added like corns and things that like you just don't need to eat. So they're a no-go for me.
I love carrots. Ever since I was a kid, my mom would always make chicken, potatoes, and carrots. So we're gonna grab these.
This is the weird stuff we get excited about. Like, ooh, we're gonna try carrots.
Oh, I don't have to chop them up. It makes it easier. And what's your Trader Joe's find?
I just got done saying how I don't normally buy mixes that are already together, but this is bananas, cashews, and pecans, and it's like a savory mix. And like literally, that's all that's in it: apple cider vinegar, olive oil. So I thought I'd give it a little try, and then I can learn how to make it at home and copy it.
Good, man. How are you doing? Oh, they're so tasty, yeah. Covert operation successful. And we didn't get in trouble.
No, I honestly think it being crowded helped because they were too busy to pay attention to us. So hot out now.
Yeah, it's
summer.
Really warm. You were complaining about being cold earlier.
I know, but here we are. It's like 75.
Give you this guy too. Thanks, man.
I saw him eyeing us. It's really funny. He eyed us a few times in the store, but he's like 16. So
Yeah, the cart guy was cool. He was like,
you vlogging? Cool. We tried really hard to stick to our list.
yep.
I added avocados because those are essential and they were not on my list, and we threw in some extra stuff, and as we checked out, the guy recommended this really killer dark chocolate that's like 99% dark chocolate, no sugar added, like no carbs.
The guy checking us out was a fitness buff, and he had all these suggestions, and we were like, keep them coming, give us the products.
He was like yogurt or plain Greek yogurt with protein powder and peanut butter at night, and I was like, every single night.
Always.
Also, we never have a grocery budget.
Should we?
I don't know. We just eat so much food. So sometimes we go to the grocery store, and by we I mean I go, and I usually get in way more trouble when I'm not with you because I wander around and
How did you like having me with you though?
You actually were really helpful today. But I gave you you had a mission.
I was helpful.
Normally, literally, I feel like I have a puppy following behind me. But like you were super helpful today. It was really great. And I think you helped keep me on track so I wasn't like just throwing a million different random things in the cart. So we spent like just barely over 100. We have stuff that will last us all week long, plus things that are like extras for the cabinet and freezer that will last like weeks to come. So $100 for 2 people.
It's pretty good.
For like more than a week is amazing.
Really good.
Yeah. You have all those?
Oh yeah.
Do you have the keys?
Yep.
Okay. That's why I should bring you more often. Got the muscles.
Throw the bags for you.
Yes.
I'm really proving my worth today.
Freaking gophers. They're literally destroying our side. We gotta figure out how to solve the gopher problem. We solved the bunny problem. One down. We got mostly all whole foods proteins. I got like my meat over here, apples, fruits, veggies, but we did splurge a little bit. And for me, it's just really important to make sure that I always have really accessible snacks. So like I said, the different nut mixes, so I can make my own little combo, have those in a jar in the very front of the cabinet, have some in a bag and in my purse so that anytime I need a snack, I have something healthy to go to. This is why I did not buy chips, because I would go to the chips first, which we don't want. And then we got some extra stuff too. So like the gnocchi, if I'm eating on the meal plan, again, like this isn't explicitly in the meal plan, but I would swap that for a starch. So if I have things like brown rice or sweet potato, I would just like remove the sweet potato from my meals and maybe do that as a little like treat, but keep it to the serving size that's there. This is a lot more packaged food than I would normally get, and Trader Joe's is one thing that you do have to be careful with when it comes to like veggies and fruit. Really is like, I don't feel like they last very long. So for me, I know I'm going to eat all of this within the week, so I only get what I know I'll eat so that it doesn't go bad and it doesn't get wasted. But then obviously things like sweet potatoes are gonna last a lot longer. Rices last plenty long time. Canned foods, nut butter. So Ryan's favorite is banana with like a peanut butter and almond butter. Little like crunchiness is a good one. I love apple, almond butter, cinnamon on top. It's such a good snack. Like anytime you just want like that sweet treat, delicious, but it's still healthy, so that's a really good one to have all the time. This oat milk, I'm so excited to try because it literally is just water and oats. That's it, and those are hard to find. Normally those have like tons of ingredients in them. And then the chocolate. So this is not something I eat on the daily at all, but if you ever have those cravings where you're like, oh, I just need chocolate. He said, I mean, it's literally, I thought it was like 90%. It's 100% cocoa.
He said it's gonna be pretty bitter.
Ooh,
It's gonna be bitter.
It's gonna be super bitter, but it has almonds and a little sea salt. So this is the kind of chocolate you should be eating. I always say like 75% or more. I don't think I've ever in my life had 100%. But, you know, I'm gonna be PMSing like next week, so you gotta be prepared. And other than that, like I love having frozen berries and spinach for my smoothie, so I don't have to add ice and it keeps it nice and cold. Ryan got his carrots to try, some hummus for snacking on. So again, it's just all about knowing yourself, like having good options when you know like you're gonna have some little cravings, you might have them so that you're prepared, but then always having clean stuff to grab. If you guys like this haul, I want you to hit that subscribe button right now. I'm gonna have new videos for you every single week, sharing my like routines and what I'm eating. And I'm also gonna be showing like all the stuff I'm making with this food and eating throughout the week over in my Instagram story. So if you're not already following there, follow and check out the Team LSF hashtag. You guys, there's this incredible community of women that all are coming together, sharing what's working, what workouts they're doing, recipes, everything. It's just really nice to have that support. It's so incredible. And I'm currently starving, so I'm going to make some breakfast. I'll see you guys here next week. Bye.